So today we will be discussing the difference in data at rest, in use, and in transit, along with how we're securing the data and strategies when it changes in use, at rest, and in transit. So the differences between data at rest, in use, and in transit are pretty simple. Data at rest is just data that's stored somewhere not currently being used. Think of it like files sitting on a computer or server. When data is in use, it means someone or some application is actively working with it, like opening a document to edit it or viewing it. Data in transit is when data is moving from one place to another, like being sent in an email, shared over the internet, or through messaging apps like Microsoft Teams. And it's all about whether the data is sitting still, being used, or on the move. Now, how are we going to secure the data? So when it comes to securing data at rest, there are different types of ways. One simple method is file level encryption. This means instead of encrypting the whole hard drive or a partition, you only encrypt specific files. You can use either public key or symmetric encryption to do this, which are just fancy ways of locking files so that only someone with the right key can unlock and read them. Now, when it comes to securing data in use, one way is that you can use tools like conditional access or role-based access control, which is the RBAC in short. These tools decide who can get to the data based on their job role or other factors like their IP address or where they are located. And when it comes to securing data in transit, one method is using Managed File Transfer, MFT. This is a way to send files using FTP when you upload the file to a platform, and then it creates a link for downloading that file. You can send this link to someone through email or another way, and they can download the file securely using HTTPS. You can also make the link expire after a certain time or protect it with a password. However, once the file is downloaded, it doesn't have any protection, and the person can use it however they like. Now let's talk about strategies. To keep data safe at every stage, it's important to blend different security methods together. This means doing things like encrypting data when it's just sitting there to prevent unauthorized people from seeing it if it gets lost or if someone breaks in. When people are actively using data, systems that check who is trying to access the data, like making sure you only certain roles or people in specific locations can see it, help stop the wrong people from getting to sensitive information. Also, when sending data from one place to another, making sure it's securely transferred is key to keeping it away from hackers. Combining these methods helps protect data all the time, follow legal rules, and shows customers and partners that the organization takes protecting their information seriously. So overall, we've touched up strategy, how we're securing the data, and the differences. I hope this was a quick and short and simple explanation of understanding data at rest, in use, and in transit.